Number 1. Ads revenue. You can earn from ads displayed on your video if you are eligible for the partner program, which needs 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. Now, how much you make from ads? It depends on the type of your content and the type of ads that are displayed on your channel, but clearly, you cannot rely completely on ad revenue because it is not that much unless you drive millions of views on your channel. Number 2. Membership. If you have a decent fan following on your channel after being eligible, YouTube provides membership features in which those who join your channel membership will pay you a small amount of money every month as long they want, and you have to decide membership perks for your members. So if you have real fans, then it is the best way to earn from your fans. Number 3. Selling products. Merchandise and selling services. The merchandise is the best profitable way to earn lots of money, but it requires some true fan following. If you have, then it's awesome, and if not, then no need to worry. You can sell your services on your YouTube channel, like ebooks, tutorials, custom training programs, motivation counseling, magazines, and lots of things. This is the best way to use your YouTube channel to promote your work, your brand. Suppose how much it cost you to advertise your products. An average small company spend $9,000 to $10,000 for advertisements. It's a lot of money, but here on YouTube you can promote your business for free on your channel, but you have to consider some rules and regulations before doing so. This is the best way to make money. Number 4. Patrons. This is quite similar to the second one, but if you are not eligible to provide membership on YouTube, then you make a patron account from other trusted websites and tell your followers to become your patron, and you can provide some exclusive services to them, so they can be your patrons to support you financially. Number 5. Affiliate and influencer programs. It has been a myth that affiliate is good or bad. Nothing is bad, my friend. It is very easy to become an affiliate, but it is difficult to retain it. You have to maintain your quantity of sales in a required time to retain it. Many people fail to do so, but affiliate works an amazing source of earning for those who can influence people to go and buy the product which you recommend. These are the real ways to earn money from your YouTube channel. Earning money is not a joke. You have to work hard with some consistency to earn something in life. Hope you like this video. If you have any other tips, please mention in comments, and subscribe to Thinking How, and don't miss these videos.